delete backup and binding when saving screen configuration. In order to further improve the efficiency of offline screen binding, a feature of offline delete binding has been added in NovaLCT version 5.4.3. The system automatically backs up and saves the configuration files to the local storage of the computer, where NovaLCT is installed, while the screen configuration information is being saved to hardware. When the computer has internet access, you can batch bind the screens to your Vnnox account. This feature not only enables users to bind screens offline, but also allows for online management of configuration files and batch binding of screens. Now let's take a look at the detailed operating procedure. Before you begin, upgrade NovaLCT to version 5.4.3 so as to experience the new feature. First, click Screen Configuration in NovaLCT. Complete the configuration of related parameters, and click Save at the bottom of the window. Then, a pop-up window will prompt that the information is being saved to hardware. After it is saved, backup file will be generated. When the information saving is completed, the system will prompt that the screen system configuration files have been saved to the local storage. The duration of backup process depends on the number of receiving cards and types of receiving card configuration files. If you cancel the backup process due to the duration, the hardware information will still be saved. Next, click Local Backup Files in the navigation menu, and you will see the system configuration file of the device has been stored here during the saving and backup just now. This is a place for file management. In addition, every time when you save the information to hardware, the system automatically backs up the latest configuration file. A unique configuration file will be saved for each device according to the serial number. Now the binding status of the screen is still unbound. After the hardware information of all screens is saved, when there's an available network, you only need to select the corresponding backup file in Local Backup Files and bind the screens to your Vnnox Care account to complete the binding. For multiple screens, you can also batch bind the screens to Vnnox Care, which is convenient and efficient. Finally, log into Vnnox Care, find the screens you just bound in Screen Management, and add the screen information as needed. The entire process of screen binding is now completed. Offline delete binding is so simple. Have a try with Vnnox Care.